Hello, I'm Julia from Medienstürmer, a trusted media partner of ONLYOFFICE. Welcome to our webinar. Today we will cover the topic of how to ditch Microsoft Office to save company budget and protect confidential corporate data using alternative Office software. Probably everyone knows about Microsoft products, and I'm pretty sure that many of your colleagues and friends are using an Office suite of the same name, which includes programs for working with texts, spreadsheets, databases and other file types. Microsoft also provides a product called Microsoft 365, which combines a set of web services distributed via subscription. It includes the already mentioned Word, Excel and PowerPoint, along with Outlook email client, Teams conference app, OneDrive cloud storage and other services. However, there are some significant disadvantages of using Office solutions from Microsoft and other big tech names, for example Google Workspace, formerly known as G Suite. Many users fall into the so-called vendor lock-in trap. This means dependence on a monopolized provider and a need to adapt to its dictated conditions. As a result, it's impossible to opt for another vendor without substantial switching costs. Security concerns are another reason to ditch MS Office, which doesn't guarantee that user data is completely safe since it is proprietary and closed-source software available in public cloud only. No one can check the source code to be sure how their data is processed. As a result, your personal and corporate sensitive data may be exposed to the provider and third parties. And indeed, users report such cases. All these cons led to Microsoft products being banned in European countries. Thus, the French Minister of National Education and Youth said that free versions of Microsoft Office 365 and Google Workspace should not be used in schools, a position that reflects ongoing European concerns about cloud data sovereignty, competition and privacy rules. The same refers to the German educational system. In 2019, Microsoft Office 365 was banned from the schools of Hesse. The company tried to adopt some changes in its politics, but they were unsuccessful. The German Data Protection Conference was not pleased when they discovered that personal data was being sent to the US when Office 365 was used, making that data accessible to American authorities. This clearly violates the EU's GDPR policies. As a result, they declare Microsoft Office 365 illegal for German schools and also advise private users not to use the solution since Microsoft cannot be trusted to handle their data. Not only France and Germany refuse to use MS products. Other European countries also fight for their digital sovereignty. For example, in February 2022, the Dutch government published a data protection impact assessment assessing the data protection risks of the professional use of Microsoft Teams in combination with OneDrive, SharePoint Online and the Azure Active Directory. In Denmark, the Government Data Protection Agency officially banned another tech giant, Google Workspace, in schools because it didn't meet the requirements of GDPR. Therefore, a reasonable question arises. Is it possible to ditch Microsoft Office in order to save the company budget and protect confidential corporate data and at the same time still work efficiently? And our answer is definitely yes. If you want to replace the Microsoft solutions, there are several ways to do it. The first option is to use alternative local software which meets all the specific security requirements in your country. Using domestically developed solutions can help you reduce the risk of data breaches and other security threats, since such software is subject to local regulations and in most cases it is hosted on local servers of the corresponding country. Another option is open source software. On the slide you can see some suggested solutions as open source alternatives to MS products. Such software offers one of the strongest advantages since its source code is open and can be reviewed and audited by a community, users, independent developers, etc. Self-hosted software, which is often also open source, gives you full control of where and how your data is stored and processed. This can be particularly important for organizations which handle sensitive information or which are subject to strict data privacy regulations. One further option is software with end-to-end encryption. It ensures that the communication between two or more parties is encrypted from end to end, meaning that it cannot be read or intercepted by anyone in between. With end-to-end encryption, only the sender and the recipients of a message can access the information, and even the service provider that hosts the communication cannot read it. When it comes to collaboration software, end-to-end encryption can help to ensure that any sensitive information being shared among team members is protected. One of the alternative Office software which can help you completely replace MS solutions is open source ONLYOFFICE. It can be deployed on any platform including Windows, Linux, Mac OS, Android iOS and any device. A single engine for online, mobile and desktop versions guarantees seamless switch from offline to online and vice versa. Dual licensing model allows you to use ONLYOFFICE as you need it. You can download community packages and use them for free as long as you respect the license. In case you need an enterprise-level solution with professional support, you can opt for a commercial build. ONLYOFFICE is developed by Accenture System SIA, an IT company with offices in Latvia, Serbia, UK, USA, Singapore, Armenia and Uzbekistan, as well as with a wide community of developers and contributors all over the world. So what are the main advantages of using ONLYOFFICE instead of MS Office? If speaking briefly, we would name expert-level functionality, seamless collaboration, support for all popular formats, data security and control, deep integration into the existing infrastructure, along with flexible conditions and cost efficiency. Let's have a deeper look at each item on this list. With ONLYOFFICE Docs, you can perform all the necessary operations with text, automate calculations and create rich and informative presentations. A collection of plugins allows using extra features right in the editors, such as translating text using ChatGPT bot, embedding professional-looking diagrams, correcting grammar, etc. With ONLYOFFICE, it's possible to build complex digital forms such as contracts, assignments, declarations. This way, you can automate your paperwork routine, making it easier to create and fill out model documents. You can add any field to request specific information from your counterparts, for example, email, phone, zip code, etc. Adjust the field properties to make the form look as you need it, as well as assign various recipient roles. It's possible to collaborate on a form in real time, share the ready forms and fill them out digitally. You also get access to the Forms library with numerous ready-to-use templates in different languages to save your time. All forms there are absolutely free to use. An excellent addition is the ability to work with the widely used PDF files. You can both view PDF and save all other types of docs to this format. Besides, if you need to make any changes, you can convert PDF to a text file. ONLYOFFICE PDF editor and another is also coming soon. Stay tuned! Collaboration is one of the strongest advantages of ONLYOFFICE. You can co-edit documents in real time. In this case, all the changes are shown as you or your co-authors are typing. Or you can lock a paragraph to edit it privately. All changes will be visible after saving only. ONLYOFFICE allows sharing documents with a single user or the whole team, providing them with different permissions levels. Editing, viewing, commenting, reviewing, filling forms and custom filter. To notice even a tiny change in similar files, you can make use of document comparison. You can also track changes made by other collaborators, view version history, as well as select and restore any previous document version with a simple click. Real-time communication between several people in a document is possible thanks to the built-in chat and plugins which allow connecting your Telegram account as well as making audio and video calls via Zoom, Jitsi and Rainbow. What's more, you can leave comments and mentions to tag other users for feedback. An important factor in collaborative editing is convenient interaction between multiple co-authors. When working on the same document, each user can perform their task independently of all others. For example, someone is typing text, someone leaves or responds to comments, and so on. ONLYOFFICE native formats are docx, XLSX and PPTX. It helps reach maximum compatibility with MS Office files, so that you can work with your regular files and the transition process will be a piece of cake. Along with OOXML formats, you can work with all other common file formats, including those for text docs such as HTML, ODT, RTF, TXT, etc. For digital forms, ONLYOFFICE uses its own format. docxf, a form template which you can edit and collaborate on. And OForm, which is the created ready-to-fill-out form. You can share it with other users for filling. Definitely, you are able to work with forms in PDF. Among supported file formats for spreadsheets, there are XLTX, OTS, ODS, CSV. For presentations, PPSX, POTX, OTP, ODP. You can customize the ONLYOFFICE interface to your own needs. White label option allows using ONLYOFFICE docs under your corporate brand. For developers, there are even more opportunities to adjust the editor interface using API. Further customization options include various interface themes. Dark ones allow comfortably working in low-light environments, while multiple scaling options contribute to comfortable work on small HDPI monitors. These features also allow users with special needs to work with documents in a more convenient way. Important is that ONLYOFFICE seamlessly integrates into your existing infrastructure so that you can continue to work with documents where you are used to. With the help of special connectors, you can integrate the editors in your cloud platform. Among ready-to-use apps for a quick start, you will find those for Alfresco, Nextcloud, WordPress, Moodle, Confluence, Jira and many others. Now I suggest you can scan the QR code on the slide and follow the link to our website, where you will find a detailed comparison of ONLYOFFICE docs and Microsoft Office Online, including illustrative examples of documents opened in a particular editor to check how each of them copes with its task. Let us also introduce you to the brand new ONLYOFFICE DocSpace, which can be used as a vibrant alternative to MS solutions for organizing document collaboration with your customers, business partners, contractors and other third parties. With ONLYOFFICE DocSpace, you can create customizable rooms for different purposes such as real-time collaboration, sharing all types of Office files and content, including PDFs, ebooks, multimedia, working on a real estate purchase agreement, requesting review or comments from filling, etc. The platform comes with flexible access permissions and allows you to easily define the roles of the invited users: viewer, commentator, reviewer, form filler, editor, power user and room admin. Moreover, ONLYOFFICE product line includes Workspace as an alternative to Microsoft 365. It's a complete solution for managing all business processes, including electronic document management, projects, team mail, CRM, calendar, corporate communications. Functionality of the platform can be easily extended through integration with external services. For example, DocuSign for digital signatures, Bitly for shortening links, WordPress for publishing docs, etc. To easily configure and administrate ONLYOFFICE Workspace, the self-hosted version comes with an intuitive control panel. There you can create as many portals as you need and customize them, automate data backups and select services to store them. Easily update the whole solution to the new version available, manage security tools. With ONLYOFFICE, all operations with your files and other activities are accessible from anywhere and from any browser or device. You can easily edit, collaborate on files and projects on the go on any iOS or Android smartphone or tablet by switching to the mobile web version or using native mobile apps. Desktop editors for online work are available as well. As we discussed earlier, security is one of the concerns which arises when using MS Office. So ONLYOFFICE provides a comprehensive level of security for online document editing and collaboration. It comes with built-in features to help you stay compliant with HIPAA and GDPR privacy regulation. What's more, as a part of the Net Explorer solution, ONLYOFFICE Docs has been certified according to the ISO 27001 requirements for information security and HDS certification. Open source code ensures transparency and reliability. JSON Web Token protects documents from unauthorized access. It's possible to restrict copying, downloading and printing, set flexible access rights, enable watermarking, apply password protection and e-signatures. Authentication and portal access is secured with 2FA SSO, trusted mail domains, IP restriction, cookie lifetime, password creation criteria and other security settings and tools. With data backup and recovery, you can be sure your data will be always safe in case of any unexpected failure. HTTPS protocol encrypts your traffic. Disk encryption allows protecting data stored within your infrastructure from breaches. Moreover, there's end-to-end encrypted editing and collaboration in form of private rooms where every symbol being typed is encrypted using the unbreakable AES 256 algorithm. ONLYOFFICE is designed for companies and organizations carrying out sensitive communication and records, keeping your services and all assigned data completely within your physical perimeter. This way, you can take any hardware protection measures. You can deploy ONLYOFFICE on your own server or in any data center of your choice. Among multiple deployment options, you will definitely find the one that suits you best. Various packages, virtual appliances and one-click apps. So what are your benefits when choosing ONLYOFFICE solutions instead of Microsoft Office? Firstly, ONLYOFFICE guarantees safety and security of your data because it is open source software and you can install it on your own server. Besides, with ONLYOFFICE, it's easy to organize effective collaboration for any team, no matter whether you are working from home, real office or both. And of course, ONLYOFFICE is cost efficient and offers flexible conditions. If we compare, for example, a subscription to the business tariff of ONLYOFFICE Workspace Cloud, which includes all the necessary tools and services, it is only $5 per user per month. The minimum business basic plan of Microsoft 365 costs $6 per user per month, while the maximum plan with the complete toolset is available at $22 per user per month. Further, if we compare the pricing of Microsoft 365 and ONLYOFFICE DocSpace Cloud, we'll notice an important aspect. In the business tariff plan, ONLYOFFICE DocSpace, you pay only for admins and power users with extended rights. All other regular users, actually an unlimited number of them, can be added absolutely for free. The following ONLYOFFICE solutions and offers are available absolutely for free of charge. Desktop editors for Windows, Linux and Mac OS, mobile apps for iOS and Android, startup plans of ONLYOFFICE Workspace and DocSpace Cloud, cloud for non-profits and schools, self-hosted community builds for 20 users, online editors for individual users, ONLYOFFICE Personal. As a bonus, there are discounts and special offers for all educational organizations. So, to summarize, take a look at this table, which clearly shows why to ditch Microsoft Office, and check the following aspects related to ONLYOFFICE: a reliable vendor, open source code for transparency, self-hosting to control sensitive data, secure data transfer and end-to-end encryption, cost efficiency and free apps, and also advanced digital forms for workflow automation. Are you ready to try ONLYOFFICE? You can test in the cloud absolutely for free within 30 days and no credit card required. Just scan the QR code and try it now to check all the benefits yourself. We also suggest you try the brand new ONLYOFFICE DocSpace. Register via the QR code you can see on the slide. The free startup plan is a limited time offer, so hurry up. As for now, the project counts about 10 million users around the world. ONLYOFFICE is in demand in many areas, including business, technology, manufacturing and finance, educational and scientific cluster, international organizations, and the public sector. Join us! Thanks a lot for your attention. We hope you liked the webinar. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.